Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a brow tutorial or somewhat of a review. I'm not very good at brows. I don't usually do mine, only a clear gel. So I'm going to go ahead and try this product that I received on BoxyCharm, and this is Brow Bar By Reema. This is Bombshell Brow Kit, and I'm so excited because the packaging, as you see, is absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and try it out, and you guys are going to see whether I have skills for brows or not. But this is supposed to be very easy, and I did love everything about it. They actually even stopped by my channel when I was unboxing it, so they really seem to be on top of their stuff, even though they're very new. So here is what this looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You click it on the side. It has a huge gorgeous mirror, and then right over here you have a mini pencil for brow color. You have a twister set. This one's actually gold as well, very nice and lightweight. And then you have your spoolie and your actual little brush for your brows. And then right over here you have a couple colors. So you're gonna have the lighter ones, you have a bit of a highlighter, this is somewhat a concealer, and then you have these two colors, whichever works better for you. So we have 3 powders, 1 cream, and one of them seems to be a highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the actual pencil real quick. I want to see how good it is, and it has a pretty decent color. It seems to be somewhat of a brown, light brunette, and we're gonna go ahead and do a few little lines right over here, and then right on the middle and to the end. And again guys, I'm not very good at this. I haven't done my brows, so they're a little bit out of shape, but that's okay. I don't usually mind that as much. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try the other one. And so far it seems to be very soft. It seems to be creamy. This one is the one I have to fix. It's a little bit out of shape. I don't mind it so far. I don't see a very dark shadow, which I like, and even more me having light hair right now, my platinum hair, it doesn't really match when I have really dark brows, and I don't want to actually bleach my brows. So far very good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead now and try with the powder, and we're gonna try the little brush, and I think I'm gonna do the lightest powder for now, the brown light, and we're gonna do tiny little strokes up. And it does seem to have my attention because even though it's really light, I am seeing them over here shadowing my hairs. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a line and then one down. And I don't usually change the shape of my brows because I actually like how they look. And then we're gonna go down. Okay, I think that looks pretty good compared to what we had before. Okay, let's try now this one. And as you see, I'm doing little tiny strokes because I don't have a lot of hair and I don't want to pack it too much with product. This so far seems to be very easy to use. I do love this huge mirror. It's actually so easy right now. I know you're probably looking at me weird because I'm looking down, but this is making it so much easier. And then this one is the one I have bad, so I want to see how well it does this one. Wow, look at that. Look at that shadow. Let's see if we can make it a little bit less thin. And then if you feel like maybe you missed, then you can just use the spoolie and you can put them a little bit in the shape you want. Look at that. Okay. So now we're gonna diffuminate. You can always put some clear gel on top if you want. And it actually did not make them that dark. It gave them a bit of a light brown, which actually matches my hair color that is coming through my roots. So I do love it because usually it looks really dark, and this one is not. I know that here is like a weird shade, but I don't want to mess with it too much. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter right on my T-bone. And that's a really pretty highlighter. Let's try the other side. And since I have a dark color going on my eyes, I'm gonna put some on the ends over here so the colors kind of match. So I'm gonna use that same highlighter for my inner corners. Of course, since it's not a lot, you don't want to use it all over because obviously it's gonna run out quicker and you don't want to do that. And then you can just use your finger to fix that. Same with your brows. All right. So I think one last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try the concealers just to see how good it is, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit, and I'm gonna use it over here that I think I kind of messed up a little bit, and we're just gonna do a sharp line. Okay, and then same thing here. I'm not using a lot of product, I'm using like bare minimum. Let's use this one over here. And this, what it does is kind of helps you control the powder and have a straight line. And then you can always just pull it to the sides so it's not so sharp that you will notice that it's not your color. But this was actually pretty decent color. They actually match very, very well with my actual skin color. If you think it's still a little bit too dark, just go ahead and use your beauty blender. I was just doing my makeup with this one. That's why it's dirty, so that will help to match it up. Just try to use the tip and not like all over, because otherwise you're just gonna put foundation on top of your brows that you just did. Okay, that is the final result. I am very excited. I think this is probably the first time I've done a tutorial of my brows, and so far, I don't know guys, what do you think? I think I did a pretty good job. I think it matches, like if you look, it matches my skin and my actual hair color. So I think this is a wonderful product. I know it's a little bit expensive, about $40, but you do get a lot for your buck compared to other products that I have bought before. So yes, it is $40. You can buy them from the website, or I think you might find it actually in BoxyCharm add-ons or Boxy Pop very soon. But so far, I think it's very good, user-friendly. If you're a beginner, this is definitely a set for you. It's not very dark, but it has enough pigmentation to help you work around and not go all crazy, because you know sometimes you go too dark and then you don't know how to take it off and so on. I think it's really good. Since this powder is probably gonna last me all day until I wash my face off, and if I do wash my face, most likely it's gonna come down. If it does, I'll update you down below, but I don't think that will be the case. And I don't know, I am actually very proud of myself. This is my first time actually doing my brows this way. So yes, here we go. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me down below what are your thoughts. Have you tried it before? And what do you think? Did I do a good job? Have you very good on brows? Because I'm not so good and I'm proud. So that's it, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!